Today we are featuring a 2010 Nissan Altima. It's got 70,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax. It's a 4-owner car. Alright, they got it marked down to $8,900. It's radiant silver metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, it does have your lock unlock button here and the door handle. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. It does have a small little dent right here in the back bumper. Alright, real small. Another little scratch there, but it's been painted over. Alright, you can hardly notice that. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape. Alright. Everything looks really good for a 2010 with 70,000 miles. Just one other thing I wanted to show you. Just a little wrinkle right there under the light. Okay. Right through there. Okay, but other than that, this car's in great shape. $8,900. It's a 2010, 70,000 miles on it. All right, it's got the gray on gray door panels, power locks, power windows, power side mirrors. All right, it does have gray cloth seating. All right, and it's just a little bit of fading right through there in the seat. Not bad though. You can hardly notice that. The rest of the driver's seat's in good shape, and you can see it from here. It's just a little bit of a not stained, but just maybe a little wear right through here on the seat. Alright, it does come with a keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat's in good shape. It is an automatic. Got your climate control area there. AM FM CD player. Alright, it does have push button start. Let's go ahead and take a look at your mileage. Okay, it's got 70,192 miles on it. Now that we got it started, go ahead and show you your screen again. And right here on the display screen, it does have a little bit of a glitch right here in the screen. All right, we'll just go ahead and try to change. Now you can change different stations, but that thing still stays there. It's just like a little glitch right there on the screen. All right, there's your push button start again. Climate control area here. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems at all there. Alright, and this car on the inside is really nice to have 70,000 miles on it, be a 2010. This thing is in really good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look back here in the back seat. Alright, door panels back here look good. Carpet looks good. No problems with the carpet. Cloth seats back here in good shape. No problems back here. Does have the convenient center console that comes down with the cup holders. Go ahead and give you your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, but this thing's priced really good, $8,900, 70,000 miles on a 2010, and this thing is in really good shape. Alright, carpet back here is good, and I'll step to the side so you can see the depth of just how much room you have. Plenty of room back here in this Altima. Let's go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. 16-inch steel wheels. Alright, they do have the hubcaps on here. Brand new set of tires. Alright, ton of tread left on them there. And once again, they do have it marked down to $8,900. Alright, let me go ahead and recap for you. It's a 2010 Nissan Altima. 70,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a 4-owner car. They got it marked down to $8,900. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.